Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are once again, another version of Cooking Tips with G-Rod. Today we're going to make a quick recipe for Super Bowl Sunday. This is guaranteed to get you tossed out of any Super Bowl party. This is buffalo cauliflower. So what I did, I took some cauliflower, mixed it in with some spices and some olive oil. I'm going to put it onto a cookie sheet, and I'm going to roast that at 375 for about 15 minutes till it gets brown. Here, I'm making some Frank's Red Hot sauce. All this is straight from the website. Frank's Red Hot, some garlic powder, some butter, and some Worcestershire sauce. You're going to bring it to a boil and just throw a whisk to it, like so, and you got it. That's all you need. That's how simple that is. And we'll be back when the cauliflower is done cooking. How you doing, everyone? We're back. So here, we have our cauliflower. We roasted it. Nice. We want to get it nice and brown and toasty. All we're going to do is take our Frank's Red Hot, dump it in there, mix it up so it's well coated. Just like that. See? Nice and coated. Now this is simple. Some blue cheese dressing. You're going to take a little chunks of blue cheese. We're going to take Greek yogurt instead of mayo. It's much healthier for you. Some pepper. A dash of white wine. And then we're just going to take a stick blender. Mix it up and crush up the blue cheese. There you go. You got your blue cheese dressing. You got your cauliflower. Dip it in there. Excellent dish. Definitely get you tossed out of any Super Bowl party. Thank you and enjoy the game.